right? Number one, I invest in rental properties. So the game plan is for me to have at least, to accumulate a minimum of 10 rental properties. Me and my wife in our family, we want to have at least 10 rental properties. So imagine, if mag-earn na lang to, if each property would earn an average of 20,000 per month, right, per property. So sa 10 properties, that's 200,000 rental income monthly. Right? So we computed earlier, 100,000 a month lang. Kahit umabot ng 200,000 per month yung living expenses during that time, because probably medical, food, syempre, so hopefully fully paid na yung bahay and all, di ba? Masasagot niya na yun. So that alone, having 10 properties, having able to accumulate 10 properties, not to buy and sell, but for rent, no, rental properties, mamanage mo ng konti. Probably there will be a broker who will rent it out, so hindi na ako magmamanage. So it will be, semi-passive na rin or almost passive.